Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to find keywords for resume. Here are the easy steps to help you find the right keywords for your resume using ChatGPT on a Windows computer. Part 1. Prepare your job posting and resume. Turn on your Windows PC and connect to the internet. Great example is connected to an Ethernet cable. Open your browser, for example, Chrome, Edge, Mozilla Firefox, etc. Go to a job site like Indeed or LinkedIn and find the job posting you're interested in. Copy the full job description, especially the things about you, the responsibilities, and qualifications. Open a text editor like Notepad or Word and paste the job description for reference. Open your current resume in Word or Notepad. So now the descriptions on the job are pasted here. Let's move on to the next step. Part 2. Use ChatGPT to extract keywords. Open a new tab and go to chatopenai.com. Sign in if needed. Type a prompt like, "Can you extract the top keywords from this job description for resume optimization?" Then hit enter. Once the ChatGPT asks, paste the job description below your prompt and hit the enter keyboard. ChatGPT will reply with a list of keywords and phrases commonly used in the job post. Part 3. Match and add keywords to your resume. Compare the keyword list to your resume. Highlight any skills, software, or terms you're missing. Add or reword parts of your resume to naturally include the most relevant and repeated keywords. And now, save the updated version of your resume. And you're done. Now, you have a keyword optimized resume that better matches applicant tracking systems, ATS, and hiring managers' expectations. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.